The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. Well, temperatures this morning are going to feel extra good as we wake up this morning. 58 in Wytheville, 67 in Martinsville, 70 in Roanoke, 66 in Blacksburg. Cloudy skies for the most part, and that's going to stay in place here throughout the day. Could see a few rays of sunshine here and there, but for the most part, we're going to be looking at overcast conditions as we head throughout the day. Taking a look at your satellite radar, this cold front moving to the east still, bringing a few showers and storms to parts of the Outer Banks. So if you're going to the beach for the weekend, just keep that in mind as you head down there. But for our area, we're looking nice and dry to start the morning, but then we could see a few showers later on in the day, possibly around the Virginia-North Carolina border. But if you're heading out the door this morning, again, 7 a.m., 69 degrees, 8 a.m., 70, and we get up to about the mid-70s by about 10 a.m., maxing out today in the 80s for the most part in the region. Feeling a lot more like summertime for the East Coast, but out west, it's still ridiculously hot. 112 in Phoenix and 110 in Las Vegas. Could see a few more record highs get set up in the Pacific Northwest for them. But for the most part, we're going to be a lot cooler here on the East Coast. About seasonable temperatures throughout the region. Mid-80s for the most part today. 86 in Roanoke, 85 in Covington, 80 up in Hot Springs, and 86 in Lexington. So it's going to feel a lot better than those upper 90-degree temperatures that we experienced the last few days and the last few weeks, for that matter. But this cool down, it's not going to be just one of those 1 to 2 day cool downs that we've had along with this heat wave. It's going to be a prolonged period of temperatures in the 80s for most of the region. Just going to feel really good as we head throughout the week. Temperatures, again, seasonable for this time of year is about mid-80s, mid to upper 80s for our area here in Southwest Virginia. Now, we're going to be seeing a few repeated rounds of rain as we head into the weekend. Stalled front's really going to create an increased chance of rain along the Virginia-North Carolina border, with a few isolated flooding instances possible just for some local downpours. As we head into tomorrow, though, as you can see, we get a lot more overcast tomorrow as this front moves to the north. And that stationary front's really going to push shower and storm development to the north and keep the temperatures cooler along with those northerly winds coming into the area. Just overall a really great pattern for some rain and cooler temperatures. Could see about a half an inch to an inch of rain in parts of Roanoke, Lexington, and Lynchburg. Our friends further to the east could see even more in parts of Richmond and Hampton Roads, which would really quell any kind of drought that we're experiencing. I know parts of Richmond and the eastern parts of Virginia have really had some drought relief just due to a lot of rainfall over the last few days. Taking a look at your weekend outlook, rain to the south today, 86 degrees. Again, could see a few stray showers here or there in our area. 84 degrees tomorrow. A few bucket fillers are possible with plenty of widespread rain. And then Sunday, 87, lingering showers. And a lot of these showers and storms Saturday and Sunday are going to be in the afternoon and evening. So your morning plans, going out, whatever your plan is, it's going to feel really nice as you head throughout the day. Taking a look at your 3-day forecast, again, 84 tomorrow, 87 on Sunday. And then we stay in the 80s for the rest of the week. 40% chance of showers and storms Monday and Tuesday. And then we get to the upper 80s by about midweek.